Hello everyone, this is Shirley from ProWelded. We have many styles of shower handles. Most of them are made of stainless steel and alloy. The surface technology has polished, plated, brushed, and other treatments. And the distance between the two holes in the middle, we call it the central distance. So if you need to order it, you can tell us the central distance that you need, and I will provide you with a wide range of choices. During showering, the chemicals contained in the water flow will wash away for a long time and cause the handle to lose color, tint, and rust, etc. But our products have passed the 24-hour acidic salt spray test and are highly resistant to corrosion. And we can also make thicker coatings according to your needs if you have a higher demand. Stainless steel handle is hollow. Weight-wise, it will be a bit lighter than zinc alloy handle and more corrosion resistant. The zinc alloy handle will have better mirror effects, flatter surface, and no welded joints. You can choose according to the functional characteristics. If you want to know about our products, you can check out our website or contact us directly to send an inquiry. Next time, I will bring you other products. Bye!